mass of hydrogen and 5 is the number of hydrogen atoms in the compound plus the atomic mass of nitrogen, that is 14. So when you solve this, what you will get, empirical formula mass is 103. Now we know that the molecular formula is equals to empirical formula into N, where N is equals to molecular mass divided by empirical formula mass. So therefore the molecular mass in this case is 103 as well as the empirical formula mass. Therefore the value of N which you will get is 1. Therefore the molecular formula of the compound will be C7H5N. Now using this information, what we have got is C7H5N. Now using this molecular formula, basically you cannot say directly that what will be the structure of this C5. What will be the structure of C7H5N? But if you see very carefully in this case, is that you have 7 carbons but you have only 5 hydrogens. Now if you draw a benzene ring, if you draw a benzene ring, so what we have in that case is C6H6. But in this case, hydrogen atoms are 5. Therefore, there is a one group present over the ring. And also because the molecular formula of the compound has only 5 hydrogens. Therefore, these 5 hydrogens will be attached to the ring only, and then you can say you have the strong reasons to say that the group over the ring will not have any hydrogen. Therefore, the structure of A, the most probable structure of A can be is the phenyl cyanide. Now as per the information again, that the reaction of A with sodium and ethanol gives basic compound B. Now what you are doing is you have a sort of RCN, that is phenyl cyanide, and in this when you react it with sodium and ethanol, basically if you remember that this is the reagent for Mendius reduction, which we have already discussed in the chapter alkyl halides. Now that means when you add sodium and alcohol in A, that is phenyl cyanide, what you will get is the B, which will be benzyl amine, whose structure is over the benzene ring you have CH2NH2. Now using the further information, it says that when you react A with sodium and ethanol, it gives you a basic compound B. Now when you have reacted phenyl cyanide with the sodium and ethanol, what we have got is the benzylamine. So again you have the strong reasons to believe that this B will only and only be benzylamine, because in the question it says that compound B is basic in nature, and further it says that B gives off nitrogen and forms alcohol C when reacted with HNO2. Now basically this benzylamine is, a 1 degree amine. When you react 1 degree amine with the HNO2, the products which we get is the benzyl alcohol, or you can say the alcohols. So in this case, when you react benzyl amine with HNO2, the product which you will get is the benzyl alcohol, and this benzyl alcohol will also, you can say that the benzylamine on reaction with HNO2 fetches you benzyl alcohol in as well as nitrogen and water, and